Good morning, children. Today is Space Dog's birthday and he has asked me to make some fairy cakes. You can learn how to do it too. Ingredients are all the different types of food you put into a recipe. These are the ingredients you'll need for the cakes. 90 grams of self-raising flour, 90 grams of caster sugar, 90 grams of margarine, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 175 grams of icing sugar, 1½ tablespoons of warm water, yellow food colouring and decorations. You will also need a 12-hole bun tray and paper cake cases. Heat the oven to gas mark 5 or 190 degrees. Now put a paper case into each hole in the tray. Now sift the flour into a large bowl. Woof, woof. Add the sugar and the margarine and then add the vanilla. Get the eggs, break them into a cup and add them to the bowl. Stir everything together with a wooden spoon until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Divide the mixture evenly between the cake cases. Put the tray in the oven for 15 minutes until they're golden brown. Come away, Space Dog, it's hot. Put the icing sugar into a bowl with the warm water. Add a few drops of yellow food colouring and give it a stir. When the cakes have cooled down, add the icing and some decorations. And now your cupcakes are ready to eat. Space Dog is 1 more than 4 today. How old is he? Yes, he's 5. See you soon, children, in another video. And take care. Bye-bye.